This will be the unboxing of the Smittybilt 2781. It is a universal air compressor. It does 5.6 TFMs, which is one of the faster ones for this price range. Generally, this one was about $150, but we're first going to go ahead and look around with the box. Max amp draw is 45 amps. Max restart pressure is 150 psi. Max working pressure is 120 psi. Max operating temperature is 140 degrees. And the minimum operating temperature is negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And the max continuous cycle is 40 minutes. And that'll get you 60 psi at 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This box is crazy heavy. I believe it's about 25 pounds, and it actually feels like it's 25 pounds. It feels very heavy. I hate the sound of foam. It comes with this nice black case. So this is the Smittybilt bag. It does have two zippers, so go ahead and pull that out. It is very heavy. That's definitely the majority of the weight right there. And go over everything else in the bag here. Inside the bag, we have a tube that will connect to your tires. This will connect to the adapter, and it does come with a tire gauge. There's also this 25-foot hose. There's the extension, one end, that goes to the compressor. It's all wrapped up. Alligator clips. Like I said, this compressor is very heavy. A long hose to go along with it. Power button here. Nice long cord